Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do this trading event in Grey Garden. So right now, Trader Troy requires 25 buttercups in trade of 3 medium treats. Here are some other trade rewards that you can get. There's a bunch of new items, new pets, new eggs, new chests, as well, not new eggs, sorry, new chests, new seeds. And you can also restore your streak here. So if you have like a lot of streaks, you can get better rewards, I guess. So I'm just going to submit all and submit all of my buttercups. But I thought I just... Okay, hold on. I thought I already like collected it. Apparently not. So I'm just going to go back here and grab my buttercups. And I'm just going to go back to the event here. And I'm going to submit it, and I'll get 3 medium treats in return. So submit all, and then you'll need to wait again for it to like change. The streak resets in 1 hour-ish, so every 1 hour this streak resets. So I guess like if you don't have your streaks on, you won't like level up your rewards, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!